Alright guys, we might go to a private lobby after this, guys, and switch it up. Nobody will get Jason twice in a row, stuff like that. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. We're gonna go to a private lobby after this, guys, so...
What am I gonna do?
You know, hopefully that'll be, a little easier to... Damn it. What's up, everybody? And if you're watching on the Twitch and you're trying to get a game, so we're gonna go to a private lobby after this, and we'll see how that goes. Should be better on in every aspect. Plus, I can follow Jason on the what's it called? Yeah, spectating. Everybody loves a knife. I have gotten a knife every match, and it hasn't helped in the slightest. Alright, guys, I got the fuse again. Y'all let me know if y'all see the phone house. Yeah, but Jason's on me. Yeah, he just now showed up. What the hell, dude? What the hell, dude? Bro! No, he just shut off the power, bro. We were trying to be cool. Bro, what the hell, dumb guy? No, I wasn't calling Tommy. Was that the Tommy house? If it was the Tommy house, I missed it like a bum. Yeah, don't slash. Come on, bro. You're better than that. I don't think you slashed me last time. Yeah, no, Trav just slashed somebody, I think. I'm looking for the phone house, and I'm not finding it, guys. Who is over there on the border of the map? Oh, I think Doombreaker might have, he might have lagged out, because his... Yeah, he lagged out. It happens, guys. It happens. I don't have a map, so... Well, I don't know where anybody is. I'm way over here. Jason's by the boathouse. Jason's at the boathouse. Man, I don't have a map, bro. Well, there you go. Okay. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Good job, guys. If y'all see that phone box, let me know, okay? Jason's over here at the two-seater. Jason's at the two-seat. He's trapping the battery. He's coming my way. He's over here.
Help! Oh God!
Jason's over here, guys. Jason's over here.
Want some more?
I don't know if you did, because he shifted. Okay, no worries. It's all good. I got a knife. Listen. It's all good. Oh, you tripped! He almost had me, but he tripped. It's all good. I know you tried. At least I made him waste a trap. Yeah, the fuse was on me too. It's all good. Oh, I'm having a rough day, baby. All good. Oh, somebody got the power on. Damn, did y'all call Tommy? Y'all are in the Tommy house, the power got turned on. Go call Tommy. Not that I want to come back as Tommy, but he's gonna turn that power off. Damn, y'all ain't even calling Tommy. You guys. Oh, he's not calling Tommy because Jason's still on him. Yeah, good point. Good point. Alright. Spark my blizzy blue. I'm in a bad mood, guys. We have only had Jason 3s, guys. Come on with this, bro. I'm gonna tell you as much. When we go to the private lobby, anybody playing. Y'all hear that? No more Jason 3s today when we go to this private lobby. You gotta choose a different Jason or be on random. It's only been Jason 3. And only with a machete. Oh wait, no, he's using the pig splitter this time. My bad. Yeah, he's got the pig splitter. Oh, Dr. Sure made it in. Okay, guys, listen. We were gonna go to a private lobby, but Dr. Sure made it in, so I'm not gonna kill this lobby, because I don't know if Dr. Sure was aware that we were about to go to a private lobby. I'm just gonna keep this one up. But if the game crashes, just FYI, Dr. Sure, we're gonna go to a private lobby. You can message me if you want to go to a private lobby with us right after this. It's up to you. I just hate to get somebody in the game and then... Plus, Dr. Sure is a really good counselor.
Oh, he's coming! Help!
That's hilarious. That's hilarious. He tried to hit Shelly. He tried to hit Shelly and Chad got hit. That's funny. Hey guys, we're also, here's what I can also do as long as everybody is cool. And well, hold on. Let me message Dr. Sure and see if they want to do a private lobby with us.
No!
And the one person that won't be Jason is Dr. Sure, because I know they don't really play Jason. I'm tired of Jason 3, so we're private lobbying it, guys. Oh, smoke that boy! Damn, Chad is stunting on him, bro. Chad didn't even stun him. Ooh! Run, Shelly. Hey, what up, Evan? We're gonna do a private lobby after this, I think, guys. Let me see if Dr. Sure is cool with that. Sorry, I know, you can't see.
This can't be happening.
Okay, everybody that is currently in the lobby, I'm gonna try to invite you guys first to the private lobby once we get it set up. And then I know Eben wants to play, so Eben, I'll invite you as well. But this might work, guys. If we can start getting a good enough amount of people. Here's the only rules we're gonna have, alright? No well, okay, I'll change it up. Here's the only rule we'll have. You cannot play Jason 3 twice in a row. That's my rule. Jason 3 is glitched, guys. I don't know how to tell y'all this any more directly. Damn, Shelly had a knife too? Temp is just running this dude. Why is nobody fixing anything? This man has been running Jason for 20 minutes. Nah, I'm just kidding. Not 20 minutes, but... see? He hears me talking about him. He flexes. What a dork. Shelly is a dork, by the way, so... I'm not talking out of school. Oh. No, what the fuck? Oh, he thought he dodged it. He did not have dodged it. Alright, second rule when we go to a private lobby. Second rule. Anybody who runs asphyxiation is banned from Jason. Take asphyxiation. If you want a quick kill, there's multiple quick kills. Decapitated, body slam, backbreaker. There's a lot of good quick weapon kills, like that crotch one with the pig splitter. There's a trap. Oh, I tried to warn Bugsy. No. Oh no, I tried to warn him. That's the same one he got me with. Bro, I tried to warn Bugsy, even though he couldn't hear me. I was like, "There's a trap! There's a trap!" All right, guys, gals, etc. We are gonna go to a private lobby after this. I got a couple of rules for Jason on that. I will. Well, I know Killer doesn't mind using the exploits when he's playing Trav, because Trav uses them on him. They got a whole old beef. Alright guys, we're gonna go to a private lobby after this. He'll get him eventually. I'm sure he might have a knife, but... He might, but I know I did, and so did Shelly, so that's already 2 of the 3 knives. Oh, you had 2? Oh, so you know what? He definitely probably has a knife. Did you get him? Wait, did you get him with both knives? Oh, okay, yeah, so there's no knives. Yeah, he shouldn't have a knife. Oh shit! It's the best pig. That's the best big pig splitter kill, y'all. Ooch! Got her in the cooch. Yeah, this is a tough one. Bro, Jason is so angry. Alright guys, hey listen, make sure you're all set to online. I'm gonna end this lobby and take us to a private lobby. Dr. Sure, I think I think you can hear me, Dr. Sure. I'll invite you in the first wave. We'll try to get everybody that's already in that private lobby, and then I'll go over my rules for playing Jason. Yeah, Doom left, but he might be trying to get in. I don't know, but Dr. Sure is in right now, so I'll give Dr. Sure an invite first. Good luck, everybody.